looks like someone here is heading a pathway. At kung papansin ninyo, dalawa yung wands dyan at may dalawang ruta. But the energy that I'm seeing from here is that, okay, dito ay maraming birds. So, ibig sabihin may mga messages rito na natatanggap itong tao na to. Not messages na nare-receive niya sa inbox niya or sa online, no, but messages coming from the vine. It looks like this is messages, no, for the steps or parang guiding steps sa kanya. Let us see and find out who is that person here and what does this person has to do with you collective. Let us see. Okay. Hmm. May natataranta dito. Natataranta talaga, miss. O parang ganyan. Hindi niya alam yung gagawin niya. Ganon. Tataranta siya dito mga babes, no? So, parang yung energy niya kasi, parang, kailangan ko na kumilos, dapat na akong kumilos. Kumilos na ako dapat ngayon. Dapat ngayon na ako gumalaw. Yan, no? Ganong klase ng energy, mga babes, no? So, ipagpatuloy natin ang pag-alam ng iba pang information. So, allow me to lay all the energies first sa ating table. Oh. Okay, so you're dealing right here with an emperor. Wala tayong gender dito, ha? Babae, lalaki, LGBT. Okay? Mag-relate tayo, no, sa mga energies, not with the gender. Okay? So this person is seeing you as the Queen of Wands energy. Naku, pabigla-bigla naman to. Nakakabigla naman to. Pabigla-bigla naman to. Yan, mga babes, no? Actually, nakita tayo rito ng makinang. It looks like it's circle. Yan, no? So, it's kind of blurry pa. So, it looks like to me a jewelry. Yan, no? It could be a ring, a promise ring, or might be engagement ring. But this person is appearing as the emperor right here with the strong energy of the full card. So, wow, cool. Okay. So let us see. Hmm. Well, hol is wow in Korean. Hmm. Okay. You know. Bottom of the deck, we've got the Six of Wands energy together with the Ace of Wands right here. Three of Wands energy. Yan. So, hi and hello there, collective. My name is Yan. Welcome here. And sa mga new viewers, thank you so much. Nandito kayo. Ako po si Yan. Tuloy po kayo. And sa aking mga pabalik-balik na mga tambayers, thank you sa inyong walang sawang pagtambay. Yan, no, kung hindi niyo pa nalalaman mga mahal, no, meron tayong isa pang channel. Ang link ay inilagay ko sa description box ng reading nito. Kaya naman, mangyari lamang na pindutin ang link na yan kung gusto ninyong ma-redirect at ma-check ang channel, no, na yan. So, dyan ay meron din tayong ina-upload na daily collective readings for all signs. Anumang zodiac sign mo, pwede kang manood at makinig. Basta just take only what resonates. And yes, wala rin po tayo ditong gender. Babae, lalaki, LGBT. Let's focus sa mga energies and the storyline itself. Okay? So, that's how we watch and understand energy readings, no? Kasi yung iba, pag sinabing lalaki yan, lalaki yan. Yun, no, mga babes, no? Hindi porket lalaki yung nasa image, lalaki lang yan. Yan, no? Kung babae nasa image, babae lang yan. No. Sa tarot walang gender, walang age, walang height, okay? Walang gano'n. Walang belief, walang tradition, okay? These are all energies. Okay? Let's keep that in mind, okay? Because yung iba nalilito. Yan, okay? Para hindi na kayo maguluhan, no? Para makapanood kayo at makapag-intindi, no, ng mga energy readings, no, nang wala kayong agam-agam. Yan. And yes, wala rin po tayong time period. So, puwedeng ito ay nangyari na tapos na gano'n, sa iba naman nangyayari na ngayon at sa iba naman ay mangyayari pa lamang 'no. But I do pick up right here, it could be happening right now in the present moment or sa kasalukuyan at posibleng sa iba naman ay prediction sa kanilang near future, hindi na magtatagal. So, it looks like immediate future. So, nakikita ko rito someone here is natataranta rito 'no, kasi hindi niya alam kung kailangan pa ba niya rito na patagalin ito kasi parang gusto niya rito mga babes na kumilos na kasi dapat kumilos na daw siya ngayon, may gano'ng klase siya rito ng energy. Yeah, so hearing that song, I wanna play cool, but I'm losing you. Yan o, tama ba? Sa susunod kasi pakilakasan, di ko marinig. Uh, I don't know, I think it's Justin Bieber's song, no? But let's focus dun sa lyrics, no? So, tama yung rinig ko. I want to play it cool, but I'm losing you. Yan. So, it looks like whoever this energy is, kaya siya natatarinte dito because feeling niya baka mawala ka or mawala yung chance na mapunta ka sa kanya. But this is the energy here of someone brand no. Yan no. An individual right here that you haven't nakakonect pa when it comes to love. This person here has strong desire to be with you, to connect with you. This person right here is someone who sees you as the Queen of Wands energy. Nagtataglay ka rito ng energy kung saan mga babes na tinataglay mo daw. Ang lahat ng mga katangian, no, na kanyang hinahanap sa isang babae or sa isang lalaki na partner, no, in love. So, alam mo sa lahat ng tarot deck, ito lang ang nakatayo, ang emperor. Madalas nakaupo ang emperor dahil ang emperor ay isang mataas na tao, no? Pero ang emperor dito nakatayo mga babes, no? Siya na mismo ang kikilos dito, mga mahal, no? Siya rito yung gagawa ng paraan. Kaya siya natataranta dito kasi he or she feels like that he or she might lose you for good kung magtatagal pa ito ni hindi siya lalapit or kung magtatagal pa siya rito, no, at magpapalipas ng ilang araw, no. So, this person right here wants to take this chance. When we say the emperor has a very impressive background. So, I do pick up, no, that for a lot of them, pwedeng hindi pa sila ganun kayaman or hindi pa sila ganun ka-successful, but they're heading towards that way. Because those energies, stepping into an emperor energy is like an empress. So, I do pick up that this person right here, no, bago pa siya dito pinanganak, no, naka-align na at nasusulat, no, in astrology, yes, it's somehow connected, no, in every human being's life, okay? So, this person right here, bago siya pinanganak, no, this person, naka-align na talaga yung mga bituin, ang mga planeta dito, no, ang araw, okay, at ang buwan, dahil siya ay nakatakda na maging masagana ang kanyang pamumuhay. And this person right here is someone appearing as your new love or as the person right here who wants to connect with you. But what's really going on is this person here, hindi pa siya nagsistep up ng any game. Maybe he or she is busy when it comes to his or her work because that's the emperor vibe. However, I do see clearly, strongly evident right here that with the full card energy and there's this Four of Cups and there's this World card energy like this person right here, okay, haven't made any move, you know. So, hindi pa siya dito gumagawa ng any move towards you guys. So, kung sino man siya rito, no, dahil ganyan nga natataranta siya rito, no, alam mo yung parang gusto niya ditong bumili ng singsing. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, it's bilog, no? And it's makinang. It looks like a jewelry to me. It looks like a ring. It could be a promise ring right here. It could be an engagement ring. No? Kaya sabi ko sa kanya kanina, no, agad-agad, pabigla-bigla, no? Kasi this person right here, parang the moment na makipagkilala siya sa'yo rito, no, parang gusto niya na rin kayong ayaing pakasal. Yan, oh. Ay, ang bilis naman yan, Miss yan. Si The Flash ba yan? Baka kamag-anak niya. Kasi, ang tingin niya sa inyo ay ganito, you know, Queen of Wands energy kayo dito na nagtataglay dito, no, ng Nine of Pentacles energy, okay, Seven of Cups in reverse. So, hindi siya rito nagdadalawang isip, hindi siya rito nako-confuse, no? Nakikita niya sa inyo rito mga babes, no, na kayo yung energy na mabait, single, maganda, gwapo, ayan, no? Marami siya ritong mga adjectives or mga magagandang compliments about you. So, sure na sure siya rito. No? Pero kasi ang nakakaloka dun, yung energy nyo kasi rito, ayaw ninyo kasi rito mga babes, yung nagmamadali kayo. So, baka magulat kayo, kaya nga sabi ko sa inyo kanina, no, pabigla-bigla siya rito, no. Kasi, nakikita ko rito, no, na with the devil energy right here, there's this obsession, no, magkahalong obsession and possession right here. But don't worry, hindi siya masamang tao. Hindi rin siya rito mga babes no maniac or pervert. But this person right here, no, alam mo kasi yung energy, no, kapag you feel like time is ticking, tick, 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 yan mga babes, no. At alam mo yung pressure, nandun eh. So, syempre, no, ayaw niya mga babes, no, na malose kayo. Tsaka baka mamaya, kasi, maaaring nasusubaybay niya kayo rito, no, pwedeng nakakasalamuha niyo rin siya everyday, no, or he or she is already around you. So, alam niya rin yung mga news about you or what are you doing right now, okay? Parang ganun. So, may mga situation siguro na parang nababothered siya. Yan, with the Ten of Wands energy. Napakaramdam niya siguro that he or she might lose you. Okay? So, this person here, I think, magiging mabilis ang inyo ritong connection. So, right after this meetup, okay, like, mabilis talaga, no? Like, ilang mga ano lang, no? Kita lang, no? This person right here will definitely ask you, okay, with a ring, no? Sa kanyang hand. Yan, no? So, kayong humusga. Promise ring, engagement ring, parehas nakakabigla. Kasi kahit promise ring yon, see? A stranger, others of you, this is a brand new energy, no? Imagine, a stranger is uh, saying or telling you a promise. And this promise right here is nandoon sa simbolo pa ng promise ring. Like, for you, it's something here hard to believe at first, but it's really happening and it's gonna happen sa'yo. Kaya wag ka nang magtaka if this thing right here happens instantly. Because I do see that for a lot of you, this is something here happening right now. And if not now, this person right here is eventually coming and this is about to happen in your immediate future. And when I say immediate future, near future. So, nakikita ko dito whether it's promise ring or lalo na engagement ring. Wow! See? Hard to believe sa yung case. Yun yung nakikita ko dito sa face mo, no? Like, hol, diba? So, I do pick up right here that this is you. You are perfect, no? For this person here. So, I think this is not just attraction, this is not just desire, but this is something here na nakikita ko na possible na mag-grow. Okay? Alam mo kasi mga babes, no, yung ano kasi ng tao na parang masyadong mabilis, yan, no? Kasi marami rin kasi na parang namulat tayo 'no, sa mga experiences sa mga nakapaligid sa'tin. May mga kakilala tayo na ganyan mabilis 'no, tapos biglang nawawala rin ng mabilis 'no, or may mga napapanood tayong mga palabas na parang naapektuhan na yung ating mind. Pero I'm telling you guys that our brain is just a stored memory. Okay? And also remember na 'pag nangyari sa kanila, hindi ibig sabihin mangyayari din sa'yo. Understand? So, yun yung tandaan mo. So, if this man or if this woman, no, comes into your life or nandiyan na sa life mo, okay, don't be afraid. Because even though this is something here fast, na parang nasa fast lane kayo, nakikita ko na pwede nyo siya ritong bigyan talaga at karapat-dapat bigyan ng tsansa. You know, with the Ace of Wands energy right here, Three of Wands, K, and Six of Wands, this person right here, yung success niya ay posible rin na mahawaan kanya nito. So, nakikita ko na pagpatuloy ka rito, no, na na makipag-connect sa taong ito, hindi lang yung heart mo yung magiging happy, but you are also attracting blessings and opportunities in your life. Miss, yan nakakahawa ba yung swerte? Yes! Lalo na if you're connecting with a good energy, and this person right here is a good energy. See? So definitely this person right here wants to connect with you. Okay? So I'm seeing you na hindi ka ko-connect sa kanya dahil lang siswertihin ka or whatever, no? But this person will definitely make your heart not just smile or laugh, but definitely unconditional talaga yung love na marireceive mo, and you will be genuinely happy. So thank you so much, honey. These are all the messages I've got for you. Thank you, Sarang Heyo, love and light. Annyeong.